Hello everyone. Today we're going to solve the question union of two arrays. So this union is similar to sets in mathematics. So in union of two arrays, there are two arrays. If we find if we have to find the union of them, union is the uh, all both combination of all elements are from both the arrays but only appearing single time, like 1 2 3 4 is in in the union, and 5 6 also is in the union, but you can see that 3 and 4 are common in both the arrays, but it has occurred only once in the union, so it has to be kept in mind. So this is a very simple question. To solve this question in Python, we can do one thing. We can append the array b into a. So a plus b will become 1 2 3 4, then again 3 4 5 6. This is the combination of all elements together. Now if we convert this list into a set, by converting into a set a plus b will become 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and if we again convert it into list, we shall find our answer. So I hope you understand the algorithm. This is a simple question. So for the code part, a equal to list map int input dot split, and same for the b one, and we may write print union of a and b. Now we write def union accepting a and b lists, and we may return a set of a plus b converted into a list again. Okay, so if I write 1 2 3 4 and 3 4 5 6, we may get 1 2 3 4 and 5 6. Yes, so I hope you understand the question and the solution. If you find the video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.